Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make variable products in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be is to head to your WordPress admin panel, and after that we will be needing to start creating attributes for our products. And basically you will need just to go to the products here in this menu, and after that we will need just to start creating attributes for our products. And here you will find all the attributes for your products, and you can start creating, for example, a color attribute or whatever to do or whatever variation you'd like to have. And basically you will need just to add its name here. You can give it a slug if you would like, and then you will need just to click attribute. And after that, you will need just to go to all products, and you can start assigning these attributes to your products. So for example, here I have these variable products that I have just created. You can simply click on add new product to start creating your own products. So basically in the edit, you will be having like an attribute thing, and you will have a variations. So basically you will need just to give it the attributes that you would like. And for example, I have this size for my product and it will have only these values. And here you can start have your variation that would be created. So you can create a variation for your product here, and you can give it any value that you would have. And basically I only have three terms for my attributes, and after that you can start modifying on this variable, and you can give it its price and all the status dependently on each other attributes. So simply this is the way on how to make variable products in WooCommerce. Thank you for watching and see you next time.